What the freak is going on, everyone? We're going to be playing Roblox Doors, and I'm going to show you how to get more freaking knobs. Let's get into this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get good knobs. Get anything that you want good, like El Garbarino on break. Yeah, that's recommended. Nothing else. Matter of fact, here, let me scroll down. Why am I scrolling down? Scroll down. Or your ball. Okay, good. Put out of stuff. Okay, scroll. Okay, so we got. See, look. So far, I'm gonna put barrel widths and nosy. Don't put itchy. And look, just touching these, it will make it zero where you'll get normal. But let's add more to it, roundabout. See, and that's how we're gonna do it. But watch the video before you actually test this out, cause I need watch time. Okay, so we're inside the game. That's good that we're inside the game. Let's freaking go. Freak up. Okay, look. So I'm gonna grab this. And yep. Grab that. Grabbing all this. So by this time I already have 5 knobs. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Okay, so let's go. Open this. Okay, open it. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and disappear. I'm gonna teleport to door 9. Okay, let's just randomly teleport to door 9. Okay, here we are. We're at door 9. Okay, let's go. What about door 13? No, not 13. Teleport me to 6 Chase. Did I actually do it? Oh crap. Sounds so close. Crap, I literally just started. Crap, this is bad. This is bad. I'm starting to see a little bit of the red. Crap, I'm doing it. Look. Crap, I saw the red. Yeah. I'm dead. Dude, he was just an inch of freaking weight. Wow. Okay, let's go. Let's go up. Yes, sir. Look right. No freaking way. Okay. Okay. Get back in. All in. Anything else? That was it? Okay, that's good. Okay, door 15. I said 15. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna halt. Crap, no, I don't need to be halt. Crap, teleport me outside. Okay, we're out. Ambush. No, what the freak? We literally just started. What the freak? We literally just got on the side. Crap. Like, you can really see the light on the what the freak? This is, what the freak? Anything else? Already? Okay, we good. So if you don't understand now, I have 1,000 coins. I'm not going to show on screen because I want to keep it like, I don't want to show like no other interface or nothing like the cross button or none of that, because I'm on a stupid iPad. Okay, teleport me outside this stupid locker. Okay, we out. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna die. I got 1,100 coins. Now 1,200. Now let's go. See how easy this is? I might get 100. No, I will get 100. Some piece for me. Okay, here we're going to troll figure for a little bit. Hey, birthday, some piece for me. Yeah, look at you. Don't even know where to go. You're birthday and listening to your thoughts. Yes, sir. Yeah, keep birthday. Okay, you gave up? Nah, let's see you give up again. Hey, birthday, some piece for me. What is thou birthday towards? Okay, hold on. Okay, let me do this. About to go. Okay, the breakdance and piece of me just ended me. Okay. Only doors that. Imagine more. That can be you. Thank me later.